Welcome, everyone! Let's learn how to make a delicious Russian salad. We need 1½ cup cream. Let's peel of the apples. We're taking 3 apples. Add 3 tablespoons sugar. Add 1/3 tablespoon black pepper powder. Add 1/3 tablespoon salt. Now it's time to add mayonnaise. Mix it well. Now peel off all the other fruits and cut them. Cut 3 peaches as you can see in the video. Cut the apples that we peeled off. Subscribe and like for more recipes. Now add them into the bowl. Mix them. Now cut the banana into smaller pieces. Add them into the bowl. Now we need to add pomegranate into the bowl. You can see the creamy look of Russian salad. Mix it well and that's done. Here you have delicious Russian salad. The other salad recipe you're seeing will be published real soon.